Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. How does a sales turn into actual money in your business? From creating an invoice to receiving payment. In this video, I'll show you the complete invoice to payment workflow in Odoo step by step. So here's the scenario. A company sells product to a customer. The product includes or the process includes creating an invoice, sending it to the customer, receiving payment and recording it in the system. So let's see how this works in Odoo. The very first step is to create an invoice, and that can be done in the accounting module. So open the accounting module, and inside the accounting, obviously, you all know where the invoices are, which is inside the customers. So go on and click on the invoice, and there are certain mandatory things that you have to add on. Okay, the customer, product, quantity, and price. So that's the mandatory things that you have to fill up in your invoice. So let the customer, like you can choose the customer from this huge list. Okay. So let the customer be Billy. Okay. So Billy is my customer. And I'm adding a product over here. So let the product be whiteboard pen. And the quantity here, I'm setting it to 10. So you can see the total amount is 12 right now. Okay. And yeah, here you have the total amount, or simply you can change the product or even the quantity. So let me put it to 50 quantity of the product. Okay. So now it is 60. Okay. The amount is 60. So I'm saving it. Now what you have done is you have created an invoice. Okay. You have added all the customer details. You have selected the product, the quantity, the price. Next step is to confirm the invoice. So once the once the invoice is ready, you can actually click on this confirm and change its stage to posted stage. So now the invoice becomes official and it's recorded in the accounting. Okay. So I am going to confirm it, and as you can see, it's in posted stage. Next is to send the invoice to the customer. So you have this option to send. Okay. So you can send the invoice to the customer. You can either email it directly from Odoo or even download and share it from here. So it can be sent by email or by post. So this is where you send your invoice from. And then you have one more thing, which is to print it. If you want to print it, you can do that from here. Okay. Next step is to register the payment. So you have to click the register payment, which is the pay button. Okay, so click on that. You have to select the journal and the payment method. So once the payment method is done, you know what the amount is, which is 69. Okay, and then you can click on create payment. Okay, so the payment is done. You know the amount right now. And I'm simply copying the invoice reference number. So you can see it's in payment state. The ribbon shows in payment. When the customer makes the payment, you can click on register payment and enter the details. Okay. And once you confirm it, this is what it looks like. Next step is to reconcile the payment. Only after doing the reconciliation, this will turn to paid state. So for that, you all know how reconciliation is done, I guess. But still, for that, you have to go to the dashboard, and here you have the bank. Go to transactions and add a new statement over here. So the label I'm giving it as the one that I've copied. The amount is 69 and the partner was Billy, right? So Billy is the partner. I'm adding and closing it. Okay. So now if you expand it, you can see the negative has come over here. It is from the account receivable and it shows that it's reconciled. So let's make sure that is reconciled. Go to the invoices and open this. So you can see now it's in paid state. Okay. So Odoo automatically matches the payment with the invoice, and this is something that we call as reconciliation. So now the invoice status changed to paid. Next step is to check the payment status, as you can see here. Okay. So like after this, you can go to the reports and track the payments and all such things. So here you have a huge list of reports where you have the profit and loss, the balance sheet, and all such things. Okay, so using this single module, which is the accounting module, you can actually track the paid invoices, the pending invoices, and all such things. So going back to invoices, here you can see the paid ones, the ones that are draft, in payment one, posted ones, and all such things. Even the overdue ones, you will get to see over here. See, you have the partially paid ones and all over here. Okay, so these are the ways of checking the status, and this is obviously going to help you guys to manage your cash flow. And there are certain common mistakes that you have to avoid while doing this whole procedure. So the thing is not posting the invoice. Now here you can see certain invoices are in draft state which are not yet posted. Okay, and then there are like, if you don't do that, then you'll obviously forget. Once it's posted, you are forgetting to do the payment. Okay, in such cases you can, it's a huge mistake that you're making, and entering the wrong payment amount is another thing, and not reconciling your transactions. So the invoice to payment workflow in Odoo is really simple. Create the invoice, confirm it, send to customer, register the payment, and reconcile. That's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below how do you currently manage your invoicing. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.